Hi, this is E from the Sewing in Color store, coming to you with this decorative wreath video tutorial made from fabrics, felt and cotton and lace. So stick around to see how it's done. So I'm using like long strips of cotton material. I liked this one especially because it's so attractive, black and white. And I cut it into strips. The width of the strips are about 6 centimeters width. And because this fabric frays a lot, I decided to serge the edges so they can be finished and there won't be thread all over the place. So I'm going to serge on both the sides, both edges. Here is some felt material, red felt. I've drawn a circle. Circumference is about 150 centimeters. And I'm going to measure out the width, about 5 centimeters. Here I'm going to use the marker to mark intervals of 5 centimeters. And then I'm going to draw a line connecting the dots. And then I'm going to cut out this circle, cut on both lines, cut all around. So we have the shape, a circle shape of our wreath from this felt material. The next thing I'm going to do is with this strip of material, I'm going to wrap it around the felt material in this way. And then when it's all wrapped around, I'm just going to pin the material to the felt, the cut material to the felt. Here I'm going to form like a bow. This is just an example. And then with a double threaded needle, some strong thread you should use. Now pass the needle from one part to the other. Wrap it all the way around and then sew it again so that we have it all anchored. This is going to be sewn onto the felt material. Okay, I cut that tail and then it's going to be sewn in this way from top to bottom. Top to the bottom when we put it on the felt material. So these I have sewn on to the felt material. I created like two bows in one, and that there is sewn them from top to bottom. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in this in the middle of these bows. And I'm going to use these felt cotton balls, small cotton, no, small felt balls rather. And these have a hole in the middle. And with a double threaded needle, I'm going to just attach it to the center of the bow. So there they're all attached. Now we've got to finish this. It's floppy. Well, no, it's we're gonna add some lace. And this lace is about, it's like 28 centimeters long and about maybe 4 centimeters wide. So to just embellish it some more, I'm just going to tie these strips of lace around the base of the bow. And this lace, it's a little bit stiff, so it really stays up nicely. There you can use any colors you want. And now we have the wire, and we're going to make this bow. It's floppy because of the felt alone. And now we're going to use this material we're going to cover the wire with this cotton material. And here I've created this sort of a channel from the cotton material that I'm going to turn inside out. And the wire is going to be threaded through this uh, tubular piece that I've created. It's just a matter of cutting about 7 or 8 centimeters. You sew them, you fold the material in half, the strip of material. You fold it in half, you sew 5 millimeters from the edge all along, and you turn it inside out. Just enough to cover the wire, because my wire circumference is a little bit more than 150 centimeters. Here I'm going to tape these parts, okay, the ends of the wire here. And I'm going to proceed to thread this wire through this uh, channel that I've created from the cotton material. And then also the ends of the material, the wire doesn't get out, doesn't come out. Here I'm going to turn this over to the wrong side, and I'm going to proceed to weave the covered wire in and out like this. If you couldn't do it this way, then you'd have to somehow sew this on to the felt, okay? And now that it's weaved in and out, this is the finished product. This is E from Sewing in Color. Have a great day.